Hello guys, welcome once more. Today, welcome to Solve YouTube channel. If this is the first time watching our channel, please do it to subscribe. Today, I want to bring to you concerning Heylink scripts, how it works on Blogger and WordPress website, how to integrate the scripts to your website. We are going to dive in and show you. This is the heylink.me/juve. That is the approved URL of heylink.me, and for you to make this appear on Blogger or WordPress website, you must to integrate or slot in this code into your Blogger or WordPress website. Okay, let's now switch to the website we implement the scripts. This link.me script too. This is how it will look like. This is how the code will appear on a WordPress website. This is not a Blogger website. This is a WordPress website. This is how it looked like. Okay, what and what will you change on your WordPress website, or on the scripts rather, I beg your pardon. Let's switch to the main script. Okay, Heylink scripts on Blogger/WordPress website. How Heylink.me script works. You see the coding from here, how it started. You see from here, let me show you something very important. Something like this one here is from your Google publisher ID, from Google dashboard, while this one here is the one that is constant. You not change this, you only change the second code here. You not change the first code here that ends with 49. Okay, you now scroll down. Let me cancel this. Okay, let me cancel this. Okay, you now scroll down. This is the first code here, that this you not change this one, you change this one with 32, that ends with 32. The ones with 49 here is constant. The one that is 49, you not even touch it. The one with 32 here is the one that you change to your own. Okay, you now scroll down. The one with 49, as I said, this one is constant, you not touch it. You see the coding down. You see that the code is for heylink.me. You've seen it very clear. Okay, this is it for heylink.me. You've seen the one highlighted there. Okay, that is how it is. So if you need the script, this is from the website I integrated it to. Okay, you only put your publisher's ID and the thing will work perfectly well. I told you, if this is the first time of watching our channel, please do well to subscribe, share, and like our contents. Subscribing to our contents or channel will make you to receive news notification on the latest update on how to earn money online. Okay, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share, like, and comment. If you need this very scripts, don't worry yourself. From the description of this video, you will see a WhatsApp that will direct you to how you can get the scripts. Okay, thank you for watching. Share, like, and comment, and subscribe. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.